Hello everybody, it's Stefano here and I teach Italian on italki.com. Today I'm going to give you a few ideas to start a conversation with an Italian person. Before I start, please subscribe to the Italki YouTube channel to get interesting language learning content. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Weather. Talking about the weather truly makes people come together. It's a great conversational starter because everybody, and literally everybody, will have an opinion about it. Plus, it's an easy topic to talk about. Let's say, for example, that the weather sucks today. You can start your conversation saying that il tempo fa schifo, il tempo è brutto oggi. Notice that fa schifo is the translation of it sucks in English, so it's very informal. The second one instead translates the English, the weather is bad. If you think the weather is beautiful today, you could say il tempo è bellissimo. What if you want to ask if you will rate later? Pioverà oggi secondo te? Tip number 2. Work and school. This is a great thing to talk about with somebody you don't know. For example, you could ask, che scuola fai? Che università fai? Che lavoro fai? Or, if you're interested specifically in what they're studying, you could ask, cosa studi? Tip number 3. Favorite something. Another great conversational starter that will get you and your friend talking for a long time is asking what's your favorite something. For example, qual è il tuo film preferito? Qual è la tua canzone preferita? Qual è il tuo colore preferito? Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Italki YouTube channel to get more tips on learning Italian. Take a lesson with me on italki.com by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description box below. Now it's time to go out and make new friends. Ciao!